Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys developer option guys, how can we enable in infinix phone device. Friends, developer option mode guys you want to enable in your infinix phone device. So man, how can you enable and how can you use it your developer setting today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on my phone setting and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your phone build number guys. We will tap on build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. We will have to tap here. Then guys you can see guys this notification screen lock. So once you have any pattern, so you will have to draw it. Then guys now be a developer. Okay, how can you check a developer mode is enabled? So we will on our phone setting guys, and guys you can check on guys your phone system setting. Developer option is enabled guys. We can use from here. As you can see there are many settings guys. You can see guys your OEM unlocking guys, this picture color mode setting guys, automatic update setting guys, system guys, UI mode guys, you can wireless setting guys you can use from here. So like the guys you can enable guys your developer option setting guys, and you can use from here guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.